Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about double integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to graph about this one. The graph of this one that should be like this. Next, y equals to number 0, that is about this one. S equals to number 1, that is about this one. So the region we need to focus, that is about this one. So we need to find dy. So y that is about this one. So we can see that y is greater than or equals to number 0 and smaller than arctanx of s. About the s, that should be about from 0 to number 1. And now we need to find the answer. The integration of dy for s, that is about sy. And we put the bounds from 0 to arctanx of s. So I will put this one gone here, number 0 gone here. And we have like this. So we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to arctanx of s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. dv, that is about s ds. The integration of this one, that is about s squared over number 2. And now we have u multiplied by v, and that is about arctanx of s multiplied by s squared over number 2. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1 minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have s squared over s squared plus 1. So we put number 1 gone here, number 0 gone here, and this one, that is about b over 8. For this one, we need to add number 1. Later that we need to minus number 1. This one divide by this one, so we have number 1. the integration of number 1, that is about x. The next one we have arctanx of x, and we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So number 1, I will put this one cone here. Number 0, I will put this one cone here. And we have number 1 minus b over 4. So we simplify and we have b over 4 minus 1 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.